Hello. So Venn diagram is an important tool also in order to express the, you can say, different perspective. We use Venn diagram to solving very different type of questions. Here we represent in the universal set is represented by the rectangular region and the subsets by circle inside the triangle rectangle. And we represent disjoint sets by disjoint circles and intersecting sets by intersecting circles. When the universal set and its subset are given, universal set and its subset are given. Let U be the universal set and let A is a subset of U. So we can see how it is drawn. When two intersecting subsets of U are given, and yeah, so this example where universal set is mentioned and B is mentioned. So these are example of disjoint sets. When two disjoint sets of a set be given, when B is a subset of A and A is a subset of U. So this is the important results for Venn diagram. So whenever we have two sets A and B intersection, that is A intersection B is in the middle, and we can say in the left hand side we have A minus B, that is only A elements. Here we have only B elements. Number of elements of A union B will be equal to number of elements of A plus number of elements of B minus number of elements of A intersection B. So number of elements of A minus B, it's NA actually. Number of elements of A minus B summation to number of elements of A intersection B is NA. Number of elements of B minus A plus number of elements of A intersection B is NB. And whenever we say number of elements of A minus B, B minus A, and A intersection B is a number of elements of N A union B. Total will be there. When there are disjoint sets, obviously union will be the summation of both of them. For any sets, this will work out. The union part will be equal to separate minus intersection. And this is a disjoint, so it's very simple to just add them. Now for three sets, A, B, and C, the number of elements of A union B union C will be equal to number of elements of A plus number of elements of B, number of elements of C in summation plus number of elements of A intersection B intersection C. Separate part addition and intersection part addition minus number of elements of A intersection B minus number of elements of B intersection C minus number of elements of A intersection C. Separately, we have to subtract. So that is the complete part. We use it in many questions actually to solve. Let us see one question. In a group of 850 people, 600 speak Hindi and 340 speak Tamil. How many can speak the both Hindi and Tamil? So N A is this much, and B is this much, and N A union B is a set of persons who can speak Hindi, set of persons who can speak Tamil. Number of A union B. A union B so it will be 850 total of that. Set of persons who can speak both Hindi and Tamil. So in that case, A both Hindi and Tamil. So obviously to the intersection part, hence it will be set of persons who can speak both of them. So it will be A intersection part. So an union will be equal to separate minus intersection, and with the help of that, we can easily get the number of people with the common to both of them. How many people can speak Hindi only? So obviously A minus B you have to do. Now for A minus B, number of elements of A minus B will be equal to uh, number of elements of A minus B plus number of elements of A intersection B will be number of elements of A. So with the help of that, we can find, and similarly, we can help with that. We can find number of elements of B only. Now B only will be number of elements of B minus A plus number of elements of summation will be number of elements of B. Number of elements of B will be equal to number of elements of B minus A number plus number of elements of A intersection B, and with the help of that, we can easily get that. So seems like we are working here in the right direction. These questions can be done with the help of that. So we have such type of questions in exams. So we'll try one of them. Okay. So we'll do one thing here. We'll try one of the question in this case. In a survey, 25 students, we found that 12 have taken physics. 12 have taken physics. Okay.